Na mimi nataka niwaombe sisi wote, madhabahu ni mahali pa heshima, kanisani ni mahali pa heshima. Mimi nataka tuulizane sisi wote tukiwa Wakenya, siasa tunaweza kufanya, uongozi tunaweza kutafuta, lakini mahali pa Mungu, pale kwa madhabahu, kanisani, ni pahali pa heshima. Tusilete siasa, tusilete chuki, tusilete ugomvi, tusilete fujo. We want our churches to be a place of peace, a place of seeking God. And all of us, irrespective of who we are, irrespective of what we believe in, we must respect the place of God in our churches. And all arms of security must ensure that our places of worship are protected from unnecessary and useless and retrogressive fights and politics. All of us have platforms outside the church where we can conduct our politics. Kwa hivyo tushirikiane hivyo pamoja.